I cannot sleep every day, but I can feel safe if I'm not using laptop. My sister always also knows English. Where is the gray melon? Sorry, man. Why am I picking the nuts? Sorry, man. The gray melon is now unsaved from the workshop. No, I want to trade him. I guess I have to go find him somewhere. Let's fight the searching there. Bro, not the spicy one. Fuck. Okay, the reason okay. Who's real grey now? What the? 3D? No, it cannot be in 2D. Now let's play with you. You shut up, talk. I will kill your nuts. Shut the f up. Give me the dog chocolate. Where's my headphone? I got my headphone. Lol. True. The chocolate is good. I want one. What are those? Is this new one? The headphone just glitched. Oh, the CC I think you can just hear me. Give me chocolate. Your leg is really great. Shut up, let me eat your nuts. Bro, I forgot. Do you record the screen go invisible when I'm not doing it? Oh, the grocery comes also here. Yeah, I worked hard for this speaker, man. Here's of the speaker, man. The first, I made 2 versions of the one version. I hate my life. Skibidi dog. Give me your nuts. The upgraded version. Also, I gave them settings. Powerful. Hey yo! When you click something, it will just take. Oh my god, my jackboot! Bro, I hate this. I hate this new update. I don't wanna pick something else. You're not stupid, man. I'm upgraded, you dummy. I'm speaker, man, you dummy. Don't say, don't talk back to me. Shut the f up. Help me, get the flashlight. Shut up, man. I'm sleeping now. Bro, why are they running? I will kill your old versions and you. Cameraman. Cameraman. What the f are you doing? Okay, let me just get a camera. Just like in old version, I got that camera. It's so beautiful and can move. This camera. It also satisfied. The tires almost touched that. This satisfied. Bro, did you? Bro, I almost thought the phone is dead. My brain's so stupid. This ad making me. The phone is out of battery. The out of battery means shows the one plus and square is shows the one plus inside of a square. What? Don't tell Speakerman, okay? That one is dumb. Okay, I won't tell everybody. Okay, the video. Cameraman, are you ready? Yeah. Now start. No, why? I think the camera fall. Wait, starting though. Bro, stop rolling, camera. Bro, stop falling. I hate this camera. I forgot. They disturb also. Let's just freeze it. Get off, bot. I will revenge on you. Get off. What? Is that a clone? You. I'm alive. And bye bye. I'll go clap Speakerman. Hey yo, what the Kung Fu Panda. Ouch, my leg hurts. I think I go to the clapping station. I think I'll go to the clapping station. Okay guys, is that a vine ball? if you want to do it also, just download X Recorder in the Play Store. Wait a minute. Okay. Just download X Recorder on Play Store and click this. Has two lines. Yeah. And then go to the YouTube and then write Fine Boom Sound Effect. And then start a video. And then I did it earlier. I'm going to clap your ass. Bruh. Those nuts. Okay guys, we are in it again. Now let's show my real save. This is Aiden's save. Now let's go to saves here. Here's everything. Bro, who made this bridge? This is so realistic. I mean, it's just cool. So cool. Wait, what? What is that? Relax now, is that it? Yeah, I like relaxing. I like the balls relaxing. Go back at the menu and then let's start. I can't wait to see my relaxing button. How is it relaxing? That's not relaxing. Okay. God. What the fuck? I think I'm about to poop my face. Poop my nuts. And my ass. And my freaking balls. Okay? You're the fuckiest player I'm ever not. Did he just clap on him? What the? Clapping is weird. Let's spawn tomato and relax him. Wee. Wee. What the? You're the son of Hulk. This is my nut. And my saucy baka. You like this? Okay. Gosh. Okay. Now I'll check the video if it's all okay. See you in the next save video.